Hello guys, so in this video I'll be looking at allocating memory on the heap, right, in C++ for an array. So here's a code that I would have written. Pretty much we are starting with iOS stream, std cout, std endl. So I have a pointer here, int pointer, val pointer, and to allocate memory on the heap you have to use a new keyword, int. So what is important, this after new, whatever is the type here has to come here. So new int, and size of the array is 5, and then I initialize the array, the elements, right? I'm assigning values of 1, 2, and 3, so the first 3 elements. So assign values there, and then I'm printing out the values, or I'm looping through the array from 0 to I is less than 5 because we have 5 elements, so 0 to 4 should be good enough. And I'm using two different notation. So in C++, just observe here the syntax in terms of setting up. If you want to say index of 0 is what is the value, index of 1 what is the value. So yeah, this here could be a little tricky compared to the way we write it in C. Alright, so val here, val pointer I would be val of 0, val of 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is using the array notation. And then I'm running the same loop, but I'm using the pointer notation. So here you can see I have val underscore ptr plus I asterisk. So this is equivalent to this here. All right. And the mere fact that I utilize a new keyword here, at the end I need to delete the array created, right? So delete followed by the array, because you don't need to put a size, just array symbols, square brackets here, and the name of the pointer, right? So val pointer, and then I have I'm assigning null pointer to the deleted pointer. Now, so the key points in assigning an array on the heap is going to be something like this. You have your stack, and let's say this is a heap. So when you have the pointer here, a val pointer, your pointer is gonna be here, val ptr, and then you're creating the memory on the heap. So you have this array created on the heap, right? So whatever is the address of this memory, let us say 0abc, this pointer is going to point to that address, and the number of elements you have here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have values 1, 2, and 3, and the other two would be set to 0 because I'm using the curly braces here. Now there's two other ways. Let's say I had int 5 and nothing more, right? So that would be an uninitialized array. And then the other scenario could be int 5, right? And just blank here, curly braces. This would be setting all of these values to null or 0. Okay? So key points or keywords you need to look at here is the new and the type should match, size of the array and the values you're putting in should be in curly braces, and you just iterate through the array. And here is using pointer notation because of the fact that you utilize memory on the heap. You need to delete that memory, right? And you need to, I'm just assigning the pointer to a null pointer. So in this case, the reason for putting null pointer here, if by mistake you have, let's say I have delete again here, delete val ptr, run this code, it will not crash. But if I don't use this line here, then I'm gonna get errors. It won't compile properly. Or when I run the code, I'll have errors. So safe practice is after the line with delete, then you should set the pointer to a null pointer. Don't set the pointer to null pointer then delete. So this is a sequence. All right. So now let's get down to running this code, and here's the code, and let's run it. So I have the name of the array as new array heap 01, right? So that's what I have here, and then I'm just compiling this. So let's do that, and then execute this. Good. So you can see the output here. Let's go back here. Right. So in the first case here, I'm using the array notation. Second case, I'm using pointer notation. We get the same values. You should observe that 1, 2, 3. So index 0, 1, and 2, we have 1, 2, 3. And the other two values are set to 0. Now, let's make a change right now here. Let's just take this out. All right. And file, save, and let's just rerun this code. So now you see all the values are set to 0, right? Because I am setting them here to a null pointer, a null, so which is 0. So this is the other way you can start. And then what if we just take off this? Let's try that. File, save, and let's clear the screen. So now it's uninitialized. I'm just saying the size of the array created on the heap is 5. All right. So do that, and we're getting 0. I guess it's safe practice. You should set it to 0. We'll see as I explore this topic more. there are some things that I still need to clarify in my own head. All right, so this is all I want to show in this video. Key takeaway here is look at the way that you would set up the indexing, right? And the keyword new is followed by the type that we have over here, delete, and followed by the array, and then the name of the pointer, and then setting the pointer to a null pointer. So I'll stop this video here, guys. Bye for now.